Bacolod in white, Abra in their familiar blue threads. And tip going to the side of Bacolod.
Early on, Ken, makikita mo yung difference in the height.
Yeah.
Sa big man, makita mo, laki-laki talaga ni Drex de los Reyes. Ayan, yun talaga laro niya. Ilang season ko na rin na nakalaban yan sa PBA 3-on-3 and ako yung nagiging main defender talaga niya whenever we have a match against each other. And masasabi ko talaga na yung shooting niya, lalo pag nag-init na siya, is hot in an instant. Talking about Wilson Baltazar.
Ngayon, medyo stretch 4 na yung nilalaro niya as Drex de los Reyes.
This could be a slam.
Nilayap lang. Nilapag lang. Drex de los Reyes turning defense into offense lang despite losing some key players. Nag-shore up pa rin sila, Dre, nung kanilang lineup. But ganda rin naman nung bawi dito ni Hans Lieva who hits a mid-range jump. Sobre Vega. Wild shot. Ayon finds John Oduba ni Yoyo pa.
Humihingi pa ng foul doon. What a good reverse late.
Ildefonso trying to locate De Los Reyes. Masyadong malalim. Shot clock winding down. Wilkin Lee able to beat the buzzer.
You know him as a open considering the departure of Jason Brickman and of course the injury of Marvin Taiwan. So it's a great opportunity for the players here also to contribute to their team and also try to make a name for themselves.
Bukod dun sa mga binanggit pa natin, Joshua David, CJ Austria, also moving on. So there are a lot of opportunities, especially that backcourt spots para dito sa Abra. Diputado able to escape and score in traffic.
Ganda ng John Udua kanina. Ginaya lang din niya. Same result as well.
Ildefonso lobs it up. De Los Reyes off the glass and in.
Napapatali buhay ni Dave Ildefonso doon. Yeah.
Ito si Drex de Los Reyes.
Well, you could also argue that some teams really are trying to preserve their, I would say, their veterans. New players as well para magkaamuyan, you know, to build that team chemistry. So yeah, it's not that surprising for them to take a seat back and not really get a lot of minutes in as John Sabrevega, another ex-PBA kabatch ko yan sa DLSU.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah.
Interesting. Oduba slides in. And layup will work off that pass from David Devon. Ayon. Diputado using his left hand. Already has 7 points for the Bacolod.
Wala si J.O. Chu eh.
Now 4 guys are running for the blue shirts. Drex de Los Reyes, no. Follows up his own miss. And Abra extends their lead to 5.
You have your wing players that are 6'4" and 6'6". So definitely if they get to gel, things work out.
Pabaon pang stare down after that 3-point make. RV Bringas. Ildefonso answers right back with a free of his own. Bringas nasundutan, walang pito. Bucker Molina goes straight to the cup for his first 2 points.
It's a good move there, low pickup, right to left.
Abra Solitor Rivers in the MPBL. Sobre Vega to beat the buzzer. He hits it from downtown.
A second three-pointer there for John Sobrevega scoring.
But you see the 3-point shooting, so far maganda yung clip nitong Bacolod, 5 out of 10. A 3-point shot.
Again, Bacolod shooting away from the Abra Weavers here.
Molina showing the range with that long 2-pointer.
Well, he can shoot as well.
So, dito siya susubukan sa depensa ni Real Cervantes. Try to locate Andaya, Cervantes and Roberts. And finally setting up Andaya for the deuce. Pinigay muna kay Antiporda. Cervantes setting his feet, fires and knocks down his second triple.
He's feeling good.
Down 8 games in, 8 to 10 games into the season where medyo dismal pa yung record nila. Hinahabol nila because of that lineup as Ryan Patino scores for Abra.
I mean, of course, there was a lot of mixed emotions regarding sa paglaro ni Malupiton sa liga natin. I think it's really good. I mean, especially what we really... wow.
Ulat ako dun.
Could have dunked that ball easily.
Biglang-
We really talk about how we as an organization cater to the dreams of the Filipinos of playing professionally in this league. And kahit naman sabihin natin nag-entry sa station si Malupiton, you could really see he's really passionate about the usage rating of players such as Dave Ildefonso. Makikita natin this season na mababawasan yan. Obviously, a lot of players, especially now in his position. Yeah, talking about Tucker Molina na
Pwede. Mike to Mike. Short stab by Mike. Doesn't trickle in. Gets it back. Inside they go to Drex De Los Reyes.
grabe pa nagsabay yung Raven Gonzalez and yung Drex De Los Reyes. Got capable and makikita mo na parang very fluid yung transition nila.
Molina maintains his dribble and using his offhand to finish things off in transition. So slam on the brakes, gives it up to Tucker Molina, open free. It's good! Tucker Molina showing us the full repertoire here in the first half. Speaking of, Martin Gozom, they will come away with a steal. Gozom sa loob as Dave Ildefonso complaining about something. Cervantes back to Rev. Martin Gozom gets inside, able to find real Cervantes underneath for the short stab. Yes.
They're really testing out different types of lineups here, talking about the Abra Weavers, especially with a shortage in the point guard position.
We thought they had the momentum, but Bacolod behind those guys, Aldave Canoy, sila Mark Duboze.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oo nga, no?
Si RV, ang mga inabot niya, sila Geronteng, di ba? With Lasal.
Yeah. During the mayhem years ba ng DLS yun?
3-point shot, knocked. Ildefonso. Whips a pass, Gonzalez, one-hander. It will trickle in for the former LaSalle Green Archer.
Advantages with his build.
Bring us inside. Supalpal, inabot niya kay Raven Gonzalez. DI.
He's been looking for that dunk ever since the start of the third quarter. There, and as your main gunner, it's really exciting or what? Sinadya niya yun.
Sadya.
For sure. You can see it in his face. Sadya niya
Wala.
yun.
Was, by our standards, napakahaba, no? 10 months. Pagpunta ka all the way to the finals, tinakot lang ni Drex De Los Reyes yung bola.
Homegrown here na pang-starter nga sa ibang team.
Ayan, pinakitaan tayo agad.
He's a very capable player. I've played with him.
So ito na, kompleto na yung Abra Quintet. Jay Yuto got blocked. We are down to the last 2 minutes. Jameson Hero off the glass and in. Nyo ba Don Bosco sa Paya or Prada
Yeah.
pa sila? Paya sila eh, di ba?
Yep. Lagi ano, either Paya, Prada. I think also SBP and Passer.
Actually, mali nga yata ako eh. 38 game winning streak na nga pala sila. Because they were 10-0 in the
Yeah.
playoffs.
Grabe, just the sheer dominance for the Abra Weavers as they win a very convincing game.
The score is 69 for Bacolod, 93 for the Abra Solid North.